And here's how to turn on private browsing on Safari in iPhone. Go ahead and launch your Safari browser. And now here we can see currently I'm using default Safari browser. Now to enable private browsing mode, tap on this icon at the bottom right corner. And here you will find this private option. So tap on private, or you can just tap on this menu icon and here tap on private, and then you will directly jump into Safari private browsing mode. Private browsing adds additional privacy protections for tabs. After you close a tab, Safari won't remember the pages you visited. Your search history or your autofill information will be automatically removed. Now tap on done and you are in private browsing mode. Now go ahead and browse anything in this private browsing mode. And to get back default browsing mode, again tap on this icon, select start page, and you will directly jump into normal browsing mode. Thanks for watching.